Hello everyone, and here's my new video, where I show you how I assembled a rack from floor laminate, wooden slats, and laminate that my neighbors wanted to throw away. I decided to turn them into a rack, so I purchased plain wooden slats at the construction market. I also bought leftover 30 by 20 and 20 by 40 slats, 7 pieces of 3 meters each. I cut 6 180 centimeter slats and 6 31 centimeter cross slats, connecting them with thick yellow self-tapping screws. Here's a thing made from a former homemade shelf. I attached a small handheld circular saw with 5 self-tapping screws, and for stability, I attached 2-meter-long sticks from below. And make sure to connect a vacuum cleaner. A home vacuum cleaner will do, and you can also use a simple hacksaw or electric jigsaw, but this process will take longer. It is necessary to wear goggles and a filter mask, as there will still be a lot of dust when using this saw, even with a working vacuum cleaner. Look at the dust. To make the laminate the same length, I clamped them together and used a grinder to level all the pieces at once. I will later remove the numbers drawn with a black marker using an alcohol solution, and then I will assemble all the laminate shelves in sequence. Additionally, I fix it with self-tapping screws. I attach it to the wall with 3 dowels, and now the rack I made with my own hands is ready, and it looks quite nice in the vestibule. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe to my channel.